I'm going to do this as fast as possible. I'm going to get right to the point. We're going to speak about Google AdSense website income simplified. And here's an example. It's a screenshot of the back end of my WordPress account. I use a plugin called Adsense, and what it is used for, you use blocks, and you tell these blocks where to place the AdSense ad on each page of your website. Okay? This is an AdSense code. You can see here, I have it on my static pages. I have it set for after paragraph number 2. You see that? I'm doing this the generic way, but it works good enough. You see that? Insertion after paragraph number 2. See that ad? Not the sidebar. I'm not talking about the sidebar. See this big ad right here? It's underneath paragraph 2. See this ad here? It's underneath paragraph 2. You see this here? This is a paragraph up here. I just made the background blue. This is paragraph number 2. This is an image. See this here? This is an image up here. This is just an image. This is paragraph 2. And the ad shows. Why show you this? Why show you this? It's because I'm setting myself up, because I treat these websites like my business, and they will continue to be my future business. And I'm setting myself up not to do more work later. I'm minimizing future work. Future maintenance. I'm minimizing future maintenance to run my websites, because now I'm not working trial and error. I had to sit down and figure out. I only had a couple of ads on this website on the front page and one in the sidebar for the longest time. It was scattered all over the place. I said, what am I going to do with this website? How am I going to treat this website? I'm going to use it as I'm building a website, but I'm also just writing a lot of content. It's not quite a blog, but I write a lot of content. So now I know, for now, unless I want to change that, I need to, when I create a new page, I need to make sure I have at least a few paragraphs for the ads to show underneath paragraph 2, because I have the ad inserter set up that way. Okay? In the future, now this is very important. This is a screenshot of my Amazon account, and I want to share with you. You see how this says HTML? Years ago, that's all they offered. Now they offer iframe and JavaScript, because the basic HTML went obsolete. And that's exactly what happened with Google AdSense. About a year and a half ago, they said, you have to change your ads because we're going responsive. They know when someone's viewing a company's ad on your website, that's a Google AdSense, on an iPhone, well, any phone, mobile devices, laptops, desktops, and televisions come into play. The smart TVs. So they tell the code, you see right here on top, we're going to show a small ad, it's a responsive, or we're going to show the larger ad. And this here is proof. The ad HTML for a responsive banner is available only as a JavaScript snippet. They don't give you choices anymore. AdSense stopped giving you choices. I go into my back-end AdSense account, and I used to be intimidated. Now I'm viewing charts. I'm viewing stats. I go get the code. They go, it's going to be responsive. Okay, it's going to be responsive. So all I have to do when they change again in the future, eventually they're going to tweak the codes and they're going to become more useful with the change. Technology changes all the time. All I'm going to have to do is go into this Ad Inserter plugin, change that AdSense code, and it's going to change it on all my web pages on MyIncomeJob.com underneath paragraph 2. All I got to do is change one block. They use the word blocks a lot, and place the code in there, and job is done. Click save, and it changes it. Just think a couple of years go by. Now, we'll say I add 20 more pages and update the pages that I have. That's a realistic goal. Well, I'm not going to want to open up 45, 50 pages a couple of years from now and go, I have to change every ad and every block, because I didn't learn how important using a plugin like Ad Inserter, I'm sure there are other ones out there, this is just the one I use, and I use it for free, can save me a tremendous amount of time in the future. So I wanted to share this with you because now, any work I do, I don't trial and error anymore as often as I used to. I create a page, it's quality content, I know exactly what I'm doing. Let's get those ads up there. Let's get it on the web, let's get it in the website menu. Let me submit that URL to the Google search engines. And Bing. I do videos about those too, guys, how to do that. So I'm just here to share my experience, my knowledge, my wisdom of working online like this and teaching myself for 15 plus years. I do it. I have full control over my business. That's good. You want full control. So I hope you learned something. Keep moving forward. You can do it. Now, anything I produce is quality, and it's only going to... Oh, here's one more thing. For years, I earned about... You know what? I thought, we'll say $25 a year with Google AdSense from ads showing on my real estate space. Well, over the years, I had to make a choice. I started with Blogger. I messed around. I used website builders. I realized that was a joke, in my opinion, and it led me to WordPress. 4 years later, look at me now. I'm working on 2 websites. I have storeby.shop and I have MyIncomeJob.com. And now, it's almost every day I'm earning a few cents every day from the ads shown on my websites. Well, I'm heading in the right direction. I'm planning that this time next year, I earn a minimum, and this is realistic, guys, with life and learning other things and other income avenues. I mean, life gets busy. This time next year, I expect to earn a minimum of $5 a day in daily residual income from Google AdSense showing ads on my websites, not just this one, websites. That's a realistic goal. Oh, that'd be $10 a day then from 2 websites. That's not bad. At the end of the month, wow, I have a car payment that I didn't have to physically work for. I earned that car payment from work I did yesterday online. That's the passive daily residual income I'm earning because I learned new skills and I learned how to build an online presence of my own that can generate streams of income. This is just one of many. Google AdSense, Amazon affiliate. It's leading me on to so many other things. I have affiliate links to products that I use. The list goes on and on. There's no closed doors. There's no dead ends. It's just future thinking, forward thinking, always forward thinking, and using technology to do it. All right. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something. And please visit MyIncomeJob.com. You're going to watch me roll out an amazing website. I'll see you later. Have a good one that's going to generate me money every single day. Bye, everybody. Oh, don't forget to like if you appreciated the video, and please subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye.